apparently you can connect your creamy keyboard to your iPad and iPhone. I don't know if I believe it. Let's try it. I'm using the GMK67 built with Creamy Moon V2 switches and Chalk PVT from Kinetic Labs. All right, let's go ahead and put it in Bluetooth mode. We can start pairing by holding function and Q until we see this little red flashing rapidly. Let's go to our iPad, go to settings, go to Bluetooth. It should come up right here is Bluetooth keyboard. Pair. All right, let's see if it works. Whoa,